Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums here in Leesburg. We're at 300 Fort Evans Road. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about Titan products that we carry. You guys know we carry a wide range of different products, one of which is Titan. They're preferably a little bit newer. We've only been carrying their products for about a year. However, we are absolutely in love with the Titan T1400. It is a small canister vacuum that takes a bag. It has HEPA filters. You have a suction control so you can lower and raise the suction depending on the cleaning that you're trying to do. It's great for somebody that has hardwood floors, little to no carpet. You can do area rugs with it. It comes with all the tools and attachments, so you're going to get a dusty brush, a crevice tool, an upholstery tool. Your tools and stuff will get stored right here on the wand. This is a nice telescopic metal wand. You even have a suction control here right there on the handle. The tool on the floor tool is good for both, like I said, carpet, hardwood floors. You have an automatic retractor one cord. It's a very lightweight, powerful vacuum that's very reasonably priced. I highly recommend them. We sell them to cleaning companies, we sell them to homeowners and people with shops and stuff. It's a pretty hefty, rough duty type of vacuum. It can handle good cleaning, it can handle a lot of the big stuff. So if you guys are in the market for a good canister vacuum, lots of suction and tools, come see us here at AceVacuums and check out the Titan T1400. Thank you guys. Like us on Instagram, Facebook, and social media. Thank you.